Hello my dear student. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 2 Pythagoras theorem from your textbook, that is Maharashtra State SSC Board Maths Part 2 Geometry. Now geometry lecture number 1. Now you know Pythagoras was a mathematician and he derived some triplets, means set of three numbers, such that the largest number square is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two numbers. Okay. Now that three numbers, that means triplet, group of three numbers, triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now Pythagorean triplet. In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. For example, 3, 4, 5, this is a group of natural number, three numbers. And now you check, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16 and 5 square is equal to 25. So this is the largest number 5, square is 25, and this is what remaining 2, 3 and 4, 9 plus 16, square of this plus square of this, 9 plus 16 is also equal to 25. So 3, therefore 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now then I explain you formula for Pythagorean triplet. If A and B are two natural numbers and A is greater than B, okay, A is greater than B, then A square plus B square gives you one number, A square minus B square gives you second number, and 2AB gives you third number. These three numbers are Pythagorean triplets. Okay. So I will take one example to explain this formula. Okay. Now you try to understand. Look here. For example, A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 6. A is greater than B. Okay. Then A square plus B square is equal to 8 square is equal to 64 plus B square is equal to 36. So A square plus B square is equal to 36 plus 64 plus 36, that is 100. Then A square minus B square means 64 minus 36, that is equal to 28. And 2AB means 2 into A into B, 2 into 8 into 6 gives you 96. And these three numbers are Pythagorean triplets. Now I will check whether this is right or wrong. Okay, in this way, 96 square is equal to 9216. 28 square is equal to 784 and 100 square is equal to 10,000. So largest is 100, square of this is equal to 10,000, and if I add this and this, if I get 10,000, then this is a Pythagorean triplet and the formulas are what? Right. Okay. So add this. 9216 plus 784 gives you 10,000. So this is the square of 100. Okay, and therefore 100, 28, 96 is what? Pythagorean triplets. So there are many Pythagorean triplets. This is a set of natural number. Okay, is it clear? Then we'll have to study some properties of right angle triangle. So with angles 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90. So suppose this is a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30, angle B is equal to 90 and angle C is equal to 60. Then there is a relation between this side and what? This is hypotenuse. You know, the side opposite to 90 is what? Hypotenuse. Okay. Now what is the relation? Side opposite to 30 angle, that is in our case BC, is equal to 1 upon 2 hypo AC, means half of what? Hypotenuse. Side opposite to 60-degree angle, that is AB, is equal to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. In our case it is AC. Okay. Now suppose triangle is 45, 45, 90, means this is the triangle ABC in which angle A is equal to 45, angle C is equal to 45 and angle B is equal to 90. Then in this case AB is equal to BC because this and this angle is equal. So side opposite to congruent angles are what? Equal, and therefore AB is equal to BC. So there is relation between this and this side, means hypotenuse. So what is that? Side opposite to 45-degree angle, that is AB is equal to BC, is equal to 1 upon root 2 hypo AC, hypotenuse AC. Okay, so these properties of right angle triangle, typical right angle triangle, is very important. You by heart these properties. Okay, so now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, ask me in putting comment box. Thank you.